He may be silent, but He is never absent. Nothing beats a personal time with God, no? Yung tipong heart-to-heart yung conversation, unfiltered, honest, and personal. Share ko lang na may mga pagkakataon when I felt God is distant from me. Tapos sinabayan pa ng pakiramdam ko na He doesn't even care about the things I prayed for. Kasi ang tagal sagutin, kasi walang nangyayari, kasi walang nagbabago. At nakakapagtampo, no? Ang lahat ng yon pinagdaanan ko. Pero alam mo ba that in one of my quiet times, God sent His warmest hug to His wounded child. Wala akong ibang narinig, walang pagalit, walang sermon, pero may mahigpit na yakap. May matinding assurance na, "Nak, hindi kita iniwan." Kahit gaano na ako katanda, mananatiling takbuhan ko ang yakap ng Panginoon. And it made me realize that I am His child first, long before I became His warrior. Meron akong uuwian, meron akong tatakbuhan, at meron akong masasandalan. And dear, your feelings are lying to you. Hindi ka iniwan, hindi ka pinabayaan. He may be silent, but He's never absent. He may seem distant, but He is closer than you think He is. With love and prayers, Noel.